There was a time when every single step felt like a test of endurance for Paromita Kundu. Both her knees were in constant pain. Walking even a few meters felt like climbing a mountain.
আমি দীর্ঘ 10 বছর ধরে এই পায়ের প্রবলেমটা ফেস করছি।
Yet, every morning, she stood up for more than just herself. Working at the Reserve Bank of India, Paromita carried the weight of her responsibilities, even when her own knees could barely carry her.
নানা রকম পেন কিলার এবং অয়েন্টমেন্ট এগুলোই ছিল আমার মানে চলাফেরার জন্য একটা সাময়িক ট্রিটমেন্ট, মানে ট্রিমেন্ডাস পেন, এবং তখন আমি চুপি চুপি দীর্ঘদিন ধরে পেন কিলার খাই।
When the pain became unbearable, she chose courage. Under the expert hands of Dr. Souvik Paul and the team at Manipal Hospitals, both her knees were operated on, not just to treat a condition, but to give her back the freedom of movement.
মণিপাল হসপিটালের প্রত্যেকটা স্টাফ আমাকে হেল্প করেছে, প্রত্যেকটা জন মানে খুবই ভালো, প্রত্যেকে আমাকে খুব কমফোর্টেবল জোনে রেখেছিল আর কি।
Today, she walks without fear. The woman who once dreaded each step has now bought herself a treadmill because her dream is not just to walk, but to jog into a healthier, stronger tomorrow. This is what empowerment looks like. A woman reclaiming her own body, her own peace, her own life. On this International Women's Day, we at Manipal Hospitals celebrate Paromita and every woman who chooses hope over hesitation. To all the women who endure pain, take tough decisions and rise again, we are honored to walk beside you. Happy Women's Day from all of us at Manipal Hospitals.